Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Request Token. The price line of Request Token is breaking out another triangle. Previously on the weekly time frame, it broke out a descending triangle. This was the resistance of the previous triangle. And let me just show you the support as well. This was the resistance and this was the support of this descending triangle. And you can see that the price line broke out this triangle here on the candlestick that was started on 22nd of November. And by the way, this was more than 450% rally. You can see that it was more than 458%. And now the price line is having some correction. And if I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then we can see that the price line is retraced at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. That is the golden ratio or golden pocket. Even though we are having a spike between 0.618 to 0.786, however, the price line is moving here sideways at this level of 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket. And when the price line drops at this level and moves here sideways, then there is a high probability for a powerful price reversal from here. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Then here we can see that the price line after this rejection on 26th of November had several rejections and formed this resistance on this daily time frame. Then we can see that here the price line was rejected here. We had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 rejections. And here we also have a support of this another descending triangle on the daily time frame. Recently today the price line is breaking out this resistance of the descending triangle, and you can also see that we also have this 25. This blue line is the 25 daily simple moving average support as well, and the price line is also testing this 25 simple moving average. Now if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, then on the 4-hourly time frame after the breakout we also had a retest of the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and after this retest the price line is gearing up. Once we will have a closing above this high of the candlestick which broke out this resistance of the triangle, and the highest price of this candlestick is 56.77 cents, then it will be the final confirmation for the breakout. However, I'm expecting that this move can be continued, and while trading this pattern we can set our stop loss here. That is the recent swing low below before this breakout, that was 45.5 cents. That can be used as a stop loss as well. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator here, then we can see that RSI is showing the bullish divergence because the price line has formed this high here and the next high is lower than previous high. If I place this trend line here, then it will be more visible for you. You can see that this high is lower than the previous one, but if we take a look at the RSI, then below the price line RSI is forming higher than previous high. So there is a bullish divergence on this 4-hourly time frame chart. That can be another signal that this rally can be continued and we can achieve our sell targets. First target can be here at this resistance at approximately 80 cents, and the second target can be here on the second resistance, that is approximately at $1.08. And as per the triangle, we can also expect that the price line can easily achieve this target, that is 95 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.